Keep blowing. Come on. It's not that hard. Come on.
I know you're full of hot air. You can do better than that. Oh.
I made these candles.
Use that air. Blow. Blow.
I don't think it's done yet. Wait, Wait.
I am videoing this. Did you pick out
You
these
thought you were done. I'm not getting wishes for years.
You
gotta wait till Faye's finished blowing out her candles.